Welcome to Data in Nutshell. In this video, we are going to see how we can look up values from different cells and bring it together in one cell against a particular category. Let's see how to do it. So for example, we have a raw data with us where we have category like this. Category 1 is repeating 3 times, and against each category we have a cell value, like in column item, shoes, boots and sandals. So I want shoes, boots, sandal against this category in the cell. Start with filter. What do you want to filter? I want values from this column, right? So I'm going to select the entire column and I'll freeze the column, comma. Now I want these values against which category? The column is this is the category column, freeze it, equals to category 1, right? Now this is a filter function. Just click enter and you will see that shoes, boots and sandals are coming here, but right now they are coming in different cells. We want to combine them together and separate them by comma. So for that, I'll just change the formula and add text join, and then double quotes, and between double quotes I'm going to put comma and space. So this defines that the values will be separated by comma. Then after the double quotes, put a comma, then write true, and again comma, and then bracket close. So text join will join all the values together by separating them by comma, and click on enter. Now you have looked up all the values from column G against category 1 and have entered them together in one particular cell, and you just have to drag it after this and you will see that all the values are here. In case if you want to separate them by a new line, like you want every term to be having a new separate line in this particular cell, then for that you can just change this double quotes part to char bracket 10 and bracket close, enter. And if you do that, you will see that the values are here, but they are as a new line item. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please subscribe the channel and access videos like these instantly. Thanks for watching.